The sun cast its golden rays over the deserted street, but for the young woman, the warmth offered little comfort. Her face was etched with fear, her eyes wide with terror as she backed away from the group of men approaching her. The 5 gangsters, led by the menacing Abdul, sneered and laughed as they closed in on their prey. The woman's cries for help were drowned out by the sound of their mocking jeers. Just as all hope seemed lost, a figure emerged from beneath the shade of a nearby tree. Raghavendra, the woman's elder brother, sprang into action, his eyes blazing with a fierce determination. With a powerful long jump, he heroically bridged the distance between himself and his sister, landing squarely between her and the gangsters. His red shirt seemed to glow like a beacon of hope in the midst of the unfolding drama. The gangsters, undaunted by Raghavendra's bold intervention, laughed and taunted him, unaware of the danger that lurked beneath his calm exterior. Raghavendra's serious eyes locked onto Abdul, and with a swift motion, he drew out a big knife, its blade glinting menacingly in the sunlight. The evil gangsters were not only intimidated by Raghavendra's bravery, but also by his charming and fearless demeanor. His unwavering confidence and strong sense of justice seemed to emanate an aura of power that left the gangsters shaken. They were shamed by their own cowardice and fled in terror, abandoning their evil plans. Here's the second half of the story. Evil Abdul and his gangsters were taken aback by Raghavendra's sudden intervention. They had never seen anyone stand up to them like that before. Raghavendra's heroic figure, silhouetted against the backlight of the sun, sent shivers down their spines. The glint of the knife in his hand seemed to seal their fate. With a fierce determination in his eyes, Raghavendra pointed the knife at the gangsters, his gaze piercing through them. The gangsters, realizing they were outmatched, cowered in fear. Raghavendra attacked, his knife flashing in the sunlight as he struck down the gangsters one by one. The gangsters cried out in pain and fear, their egos shattered by Raghavendra's bravery. They turned tail and ran, abandoning their evil intentions. Raghavendra stood tall, his chest heaving with exertion, as he watched the gangsters flee. He turned to his sister, his eyes serious and protective. His sister smiled at him, her eyes shining with gratitude. She folded her hands in a namaste and thanked him, her voice barely above a whisper. Raghavendra stood under the shade of a beautiful green tree, his face expressionless. Without a word, he turned and walked away, leaving his sister to watch him go with a happy heart.